Hi, it's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I'll show you how to turn off and on notifications of your Google Chrome. To do that, click the More or these three little dots up here and click Settings and click Privacy and Security. Over here, click Site Settings and click Notifications. Over here you can automatically follow this setting when you visit the sites, so you can allow sites to ask for notification, quite merge, or don't allow sites to send notifications at all. Or you can manage over here. Just click this play button over here, and over here that says notification, click allow. And now the notifications from YouTube are allowed. And this is it. To disable notification for some sites, for example, we are just enable this YouTube. To disable, same thing, go to this notification and click block. If I go back, you can see not allowed to send notifications over here. And this is how you allow or block notifications from Google Chrome. If this was helpful to you guys, consider to drop some likes and comments below. It will be a lot to me. So have a nice day and be good. Bye bye.